Hi everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar. Welcome back to our Spanish classes. In this class, we're going to learn about enseñar. Enseñar means to teach. Enseñar means to teach. There is a tilde symbol on the end. This is ña. Okay? Enseñar, to teach. I teach Spanish every day. I is yo, teach is enseñar. For yo it becomes enseñó. Spanish is español. Every day it is todos los días. Todos los días means all the days or every day. We can also write this todos los días or cada día. Cada means every, día means day. So cada día, every day. Tú enseñas español. You teach Spanish. Él or ella enseña español means he teaches Spanish or she teaches Spanish. Cada día means he teaches Spanish every day, she teaches Spanish every day. Nosotros enseñamos español cada día means we teach Spanish every day. Vosotros enseñáis español cada día means you all teach Spanish every day. Ellos enseñan español cada día or todos los días means they teach Spanish every day. So here due to space constraint for English statement I just only wrote one single statement like I teach Spanish. Okay, for all the pronouns it teach Spanish would be same, like I teach Spanish, you teach Spanish, he or she teach Spanish, we teach Spanish, you all teach Spanish, and they teach Spanish. Okay, for Spanish these are yo enseño español todos los días, tú enseñas español todos los días, él o ella enseña español todos los días, nosotros enseñamos español todos los días, vosotros enseñáis español todos los días, y ellos enseñan español todos los días. So this is about the positive statement. So similarly, like in the previous videos, we just keep no in front of the verb. It will convert into negative form. Yo no enseño español cada día. I don't teach Spanish every day. Tú no enseñas español cada día. You don't teach Spanish every day. Él o ella no enseña español cada día. Like he does not teach Spanish every day, or she does not teach Spanish every day. Nosotros no enseñamos español cada día means we don't teach Spanish every day. Vosotros no enseñáis español cada día means you all don't teach Spanish every day. Ellos no enseñan español cada día means they don't teach Spanish every day. So this is about the negative form. Now just look into the question form. To convert a statement into question form, we just keep a reverse question mark at the beginning and at the ending normal question mark. Yo enseño means I teach. Yo enseño means like do I teach. Yo enseño español todos los días. Do I teach Spanish every day? Tú enseñas español todos los días. Like do you teach Spanish every day? Does he or she teach Spanish every day? Él enseña español cada día. Or ella enseña español cada día. Nosotros enseñamos español cada día. Vosotros enseñáis español cada día. Ellos enseñan español cada día. So we just change our tone and we'll keep a question mark. It's going to become a question form statements. Now for answers, sí or no. Sí is yes, no is no. We want to say positive answer. Yes, I speak Spanish. Sí, yo enseño español cada día. Yes, I do teach Spanish every day. No, tú no enseñas español cada día. No, you don't teach Spanish every day. Sí, él enseña español. Yes, he does teach Spanish every day. No, ella no enseña español. No, she does not teach Spanish every day. Sí, nosotros enseñamos español cada día. Yes, we teach Spanish every day. Vosotros enseñáis español cada día. We just add sí, it will become S. No, it's going to become no. Similarly, sí, ellos enseñan. Yes, they do teach. No, ellos no enseñan. They don't teach. So this is about enseñar verb. Enseñar means to teach. So the conjugation for enseñar is enseñó, enseñas, enseña, enseñamos, enseñáis, enseñan. Okay. So with this enseñar verb will be framed positive statements, negative statements, question form, and answers to the question form. Okay. Till now we just discussed like 5 or 6 verbs. I just make a note of it for you to for your revision purpose. So first is hablar. Hablar means to speak. Caminar, to walk. Trabajar, to work. Visitar, to visit. Viajar, to travel. Enseñar, to teach. And one more, cocinar. Cook. So we learned about hablar, to speak. So one more time I'm just revising that H is silent. So it is called as hablar, not hablar. Okay. Hablar, to speak. Cocinar. This is co, this is si. Cocinar, to cook. Caminar. Caminar, to walk. Trabajar, to work. This J is pronounced as the combination of K plus H. It's ka. Or you can just say ha. So the ka pronunciation will become by practice. As of now, you can just say trabajar. So J like H. Trabajar, to work. And visitar, to visit. Viajar, to travel. Enseñar. This is the special symbol of N. So there is a tilt symbol on N. Okay, enseñar means to teach. For all these verbs, the conjugation rules are same. Those are o, as, a, amos, ais, an. We have to just remove this ending AR. We have to keep this form. Hablo, cocino, camino, trabajo, visito, viajo, enseño. The similar way you can frame all these conjugations. So this is just for to revise all these verbs and these conjugations. Thank you for watching this video. I'll come up with a new verb in the next episode. My name is Praveen Kumar. I'm signing off.